Hello students, today we learn some basic network tools. So when we are connected to internet, we might encounter many problems. To figure out what types of error are obstructing our connection, we may need to work with different network tools or simple networking commands. So whenever we are running internet on our computer, on our network, then we may get many problems. To solve this problem, to figure out this problem, we use some networking commands. So our first command is ping, P-I-N-G, ping. So to test the connectivity between two hosts, we can use the ping command. So whenever you want to check our connectivity between two hosts, this command will use. So ping determine whether the remote machine, either it can be website or a server, can receive the text packet and reply. It is determined by following finding how much time it takes to get the response from the remote machine. Ping command will work when we are connected to the internet. So to execute the ping command, internet is must on our computer. So ping serve two purpose. First, to ensure that a network connection can be established. So it confirms that network connection is confirmed and established, and timing information as to speed of the connection. So if you want to use ping command, first of all we open our command shell program or DOS program or CMD program in our computer, and we write like this ping and whatever server we want to check, like here we write cbseacademic.nic.in. After this it sends reply this. So it confirms that the connection has been established and connectivity is confirmed. So ping statistics, how much packets is going to be sent, how much VR packets going to be received, it also display. Our second command is trace route or either trace RT. So trace route command is used in the Linux operating system. In our Windows we use trace RT. The basic function of both these command is same. So to trace the network path, and signal takes from our computer to the destination computer whose domain name is given with the command, we can use trace route command. So trace route or trace RT is similar to the ping, except that it identifies which network path it takes along each hop rather than the time it takes for each packet to the return. So whenever we want to trace network path or signal, we use this trace route command. So whenever we type trace RT, whatever the server name is there, so it is showing the path. So here it can be different server where network path is using. So trace route is used to trace the network path the signal takes from our computer to destination computer. So here domain name is given. So domain name is our cbseacademic.in. So it is our network path. Our third important command is ns lookup. So for diagnosing DNS name resolution problem, we can use the command ns lookup. When we type the ns lookup in front of command prompt, it does two things: display the name of IP address of our computer default DNS server. It also displays a small prompt that is ns lookup's own prompt. Here we can type the domain name or IP address. The result determines if the DNS server can resolve the given domain IP address. So whenever we type ns lookup like here, so it is display what is the default server of our computer and what is the IP address of this, and give the ns lookup own prompt. So here we write another domain name or IP address. So ns lookup command domain name and IP address of your computer default DNS server displayed by the ns lookup. So it is very important command if you want to know what is our default server, that time we will use ns lookup command. All these commands, whatever we discussed till, internet connection must be on our computer. So our fourth command is ipconfig command. The ipconfig command display detailed information about the network we are connected to. It is used as per the following format, like we write ipconfig. So whenever we write ipconfig, gives more detailed information such as DNS servers, DHCP enabled or not, MAC address, along with the helpful information. So whenever we type the ipconfig, displays connection specific, link local IPv6 address, IPv4 address, subnet mask, default gateway, every information will be displayed. And if we write ipconfig all, then it will display all command, all output, all detail of the our network connection. So today we discussed our basic network tools. Here we learned two commands: ping, which is used to test connectivity between two hosts. Second is traceroute, to trace the network path signal takes from one computer to destination computer. And same command traceroute is for Windows, traceRT. Then we learned ns lookup, it is used to display default server name and its IP address. And ipconfig, which is used to detail information about the network we are connected to